Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. One of Australia's most popular and loved museums. Perfect for the whole family, Melbourne Museum showcases Australian social history, Aboriginal cultures, science, and the environment. Expand your mind, discover new things, and learn about cultures from the past and present. With exhibits to surprise and delight all ages, enjoy an inspiring and entertaining day while making memories that last a lifetime. Visit our permanent collections year-round and join us for exciting programs and temporary exhibitions from near and far. Explore Bunjalaka Aboriginal Cultural Centre, a space dedicated entirely to honoring our First Peoples history, knowledge, and living culture through exhibits, storytelling, performances, and more. Melbourne Museum is located adjacent to the World Heritage listed Royal Exhibition Building. From history and culture to science and nature, Melbourne Museum offers adults and kids alike an array of experiences to explore the various aspects of life. Please like, share, and subscribe. In our wondrous planet, discover a world for billion years in the making and come face to face with animals from around the world. Explore the landscape of the Cretaceous in Gandal Gondwana Garden, a living gallery that transports you into the ecosystem of the past to meet 67-million-year-old Horridus at Triceratops' fate of the dinosaurs. Please do watch our other Melbourne, Australia playlist. Over a number of galleries, visitors can learn about the origin and evolution of life in Victoria, stroll through a living rainforest, discover the story of the famous racehorse Phar Lap, and more. There is also the Children's Gallery for babies to 5-year-olds to explore, play, and learn. The Bunjalaka Aboriginal Cultural Centre is dedicated to celebrating the history, culture, achievements, and survival of Victoria's Aboriginal people. Please do watch our other Melbourne Museum playlist. Open daily except Good Friday and Christmas Day. Have you been to Melbourne, Australia? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.